Yo, Uncle Nudge here. Yeah, I did the show yesterday that I was prepping for, and I got some footage here of my setup, how I wound up doing it, and you can see like pendants that I make and stuff, which I usually don't show, and definitely some of you viewers and subscribers came out, and it was awesome to meet you and get your support. Helps with gas and equipment and stuff. And so I'm ready to head out and do some more filming. Looks like the weather maybe in a week or less will be good for that. So I'll be back to rockhounding videos and some other stuff, some more cutting stuff, but recent stuff. The last video I did was rehashed from my original 16 videos. So it was kind of crude, but I'll be doing it different. That and more stuff. I see I got some dear friends visiting today. Get it? But anyway, it was a great time, and I think we might be doing a show in May. I know for sure we're doing one in July at the same place. So stay tuned for that. I'll keep you updated. But thanks for watching as always. And if you give a thumbs up, even on this video, be awesome. It all helps with the algorithm, which gets me seen by more people, and that's a good thing. So, Uncle Nudge, enjoy. Hey! So that's the setup. Sweet.
Thank you very much. Just arm. That's all you want. That's how you lose friends.
Oh my god. Okay. And my arms also.
Yeah.
I like the moss agate.
I got shit all the way down to $10. Yeah, I think you got really good prices on stuff.
Okay.
I'll just go 20, and then I'll barter.
For all of them, I'll take them.
Yeah, I need to put some oil on it.
let me go down here.
Awesome sauce.
Are you thinking about silversmithing yet? Or?
I haven't put too much thought into it yet myself. My mom, so the plan was
Sweet. That's a pretty cool light. Wow. There's Andrea and Donnie. Look at them. They're so cute. There you go. Look at those happy pennants.
Yeah.
Turquoise cut out of the same rocks. Rock on.
Rock on.
Sweet. Thanks, guys.